Ikhansela kuwa-39 uLifa Modise uholeke izakhamizi walibangisa nazo emahhovisi eCity Power eSoweto namuhla ekuseni ukuyofuna impendulo mayelana ney'nkinga zokucisha kwamalambu omgwaqo. Izakhamizi zithi-ke seyibekezele iminyaka ihlele ebumnyameni, ngakho-ke manje seyithathe isinqumo sokunikela khona kule nkampani ehlinzeka ugesi. UModise uthi-ke lesi simo sesibe nomthelela omkhulu ekwandeni kobugebengu kule ndawo, waveza nokuthi kufanele kube khona ukungenelela okuphuthumayo.
Abahlali bebekhokhelwe nguceba kaWard 39 uLifa Modise bagqibe kolokuthatha amanyathelo batyelele ii-ofisi zequmrhu lombane iCity Power eSoweto ukuphakamisa izikhalazo zabo malunga nengxaki yabo yokungabi nazibane zezitalato nabathi sele kuyiminyaka bejongene nayo.
The issue yokuthi i-city ayina mali and we don't have materials. It's things that they tell us. I mean, look at us here. We are 30,000 people every day. You wake up, you sleep. Abantu bakhala ngama street lights. Abantu bakhala ngokubanjwa inkunzi. You know, all these issues. People, they think ukuthi now we are incompetent and we don't do anything. So today we took Abo Mama and Abo Baba, who said they will give me company yokuthi siye eCity Power, so that Abo Mama bazizwele from kuye and come and report back to the community ukuthi indaba yethu yama street lights injani. And the same answers were given ukuthi the city doesn't have money, there are issues of material, which is for me I think it's unfortunate for this community that is have been patient for a very long time.
Uceba kaWard 39 uthi baza kuqhubeka ukunkqonkqoza kwiminyango efanelekileyo de kubekho izisombululo.
We are trying to push our officials who are lazy. Lazy officials are the ones who are putting us in this plunge. But angeke sihlale, we are not going to sit back. Singanikezi abahlali what they want. We are going to work with our street reps. We are going to work with our patrollers, and we are going to put pressure to the officials.
Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eOrlando West.
Masiqhubeka nalo-ke lolu daba mbukeli. Izakhamizi zakuwa-39 sezwakalise-ke ukukhungatheka nokuphoxeka kwazo mayelana nendlela iCity Power esingethe ngayo inkinga yokucisha kwamalambu omgwaqo engapheli. Lezi zakhamizi zithi-ke ukungaxhumani nazo ngendlela efanele kanye-ke nokuthatha isikhathi eside ukubhekana nale nkinga sekubashiye ebumnyameni nangaphandle kweyisombululo eyicacile ukuthi yini okufanele yenzeke ngalolu daba.
Si feel very bad because of khona abantu abalimalayo, abantu bayabulalwa, kuyatshontshwa, khona abantu abatshontshayo, khona abantu abatshontsha yonke into intambo yini kuyatshontshwa. And then abantu mabashayana lapha yana obayenzani, abatshontsha mawuthi bathathela abantu amafoni, bathathela abantu bakhuthuza abantu. Mawuthi uyabheka ubaboni because of kumnyama thuthu, awukwazi nokubona ukuthi ubani lo muntu lo yenza leyo nto leyo. Uyayibona? Ezinye zezinto bazenza silele asiboni, simangala mase sivuka sibona kumoshiwe kukhathwe intambo zogesi, kukhathwe intambo nje zama fiber in bangena imizini yabantu bayantshontsha, asiboni asibaboni.
Sisabe ukuphuma, sizophuma kanjani siphume umnyameni because kwathina singalimala. Even ama street patrollers are having it difficult because bayahamba sibatshele beze mara bahambe ebumnyameni baphethe amatosh, and these people who are now tsotsis see them coming nabo bangabalimaza, and abantwana babantu abaphathanga next nabo banama-guns. So it is a problem in the street lights, and it really needs to be attended to, and they can attend to it if they really want or do the right thing. That is how I feel about Indabama street lights.
We cannot silibe sigijima emuva kwabo, bayazi umsebenzi wabo, bayazi ukuthi baqashilweni in the first place. On top of the fact that bayazi ukuthi baqashilweni, akumele ukuthi kube yithi futhi sebegijima ngasemuva kwabo. Kumele bathathe ama grievances yethu bawa escalate, aya escalate nje ama grievances until when? And then bazositshela ukuthi abana material. Ngo-2026 kumele simele financial year yabo. 2026 solo kubona bana 3 years bona bangena material. Kumele sigijima emuva kwabo. Ayisebenzi kanjalo. They need to meet ama requirements wethu kahle futhi. Bayenza imisebenzi yethu not even under pressure because they are getting paid a monthly salary at that. They are getting paid, mele bayawazi umsebenzi wabo, bayazi ukuthi baqasheleni. So can we please ukuthi sisebenzisaneni.